Okay, let's talk about a wild story involving AI, ethics, and a massive contradiction within the US government.
Seriously, how is the NSA using tech from a company that the Pentagon, its own parent agency, has blacklisted?
So you've got the Pentagon calling Anthropic a risk, but then the NSA is using its most powerful tool. How do we even get here?
Well, a letter from Senator Warren pretty much lays out the whole conflict.
It all kicked off when Anthropic said no to removing two huge ethical guardrails on its AI.
The Pentagon's response, according to the letter, was to blacklist them. Pretty unheard of for an American company.
And at the center of all this is a super powerful and kinda scary AI model called Mythos.
What does it do? It basically finds and strings together software flaws to build its own cyber attacks.
One analyst put it perfectly. Mythos doesn't just find the map, it builds and drives the car.
Anthropic thinks this thing is so dangerous, they've only given access to about 40 organizations total.
Once this story dropped, the internet, of course, went nuts with different theories. Let's get into them.
A lot of people just called it straight-up hypocrisy, pointing fingers right at the current administration.
Others were skeptical. Was Anthropic's whole "it's too dangerous" thing just a slick marketing campaign?
But a really popular theory is that this was never about the tech. It was political from the start.
Look, this whole mess is way bigger than just Anthropic or the NSA. It's a sign of things to come. We're watching a battle between AI companies trying to set ethical rules and governments wanting total control.
Which brings us to the biggest question of all. Who gets to decide how these incredibly powerful tools are used?